Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Gate. I am going to start new series of video where you are going to learn about embedded system. An embedded system is an integrated field of hardware and software. To learn about the embedded system, we need to gain both the knowledges hardware plus software. As a fresher, we don't know how to start to learn the embedded system. That's why I have started this video series. Every embedded system is a microcontroller based system that can be used to serve any particular type of task. In this series, I start to teach with the basic 8-bit controller, and then next series I will go through 16-bit and 32-bit controllers. There are many controllers available in the market like PIC, Atmel, NXP, AVR, MSP, Nuvoton, etc. etc. For this series, I have selected PIC controller, PIC18F452. To start work with any microcontroller, we need to do hardware and software setup first. For software setup, we need to download and install IDE first. For PIC microcontroller, we are going to use MPLAB IDE. In next video, I will show you how to download and install MPLAB IDE. For hardware setup, we need PIC18F452 IC, PICKIT3 Programmer, and basic components. I will share list of basic components in the description of this video. When you start to learn, make sure all basic components are available with you. These are the topics I am going to cover in this video series: GPIO, interrupt, timer counter, UART, ADC, PWM, I2C, and SPI. At the end of this series, I am going to design a PCB. In this PCB, I am going to cover all the hardware model covered in this video series. If you want to learn about the embedded system, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.